How to change profile names in WhatsApp business account. Firstly, make sure that you are using WhatsApp business app. This is available on Play Store and App Store. Now open the app on your device. The interface is very much similar to the WhatsApp normal app. Click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select the option Settings. Inside Settings at the very top, click on your profile. When you do that, then you will land to your profile section interface. Here, as you can see, the first option is your name. Click on that and now you can enter a new business name. Simply remove the previous one and write something to save it. Once done, click on OK to save your changes. Also, make sure that the WhatsApp business app is updated to the latest version. Go to App Store and Play Store and look for any new updates that may be available for the app. That's all for today. Thank you.